What is passive income? Imagine if you could earn money simply by sitting back and doing nothing. Believe it or not, it's something countless folks do every day. That money you earn with little to no effort is known as passive income, and it puts you on the fast track to financial independence. Earning money without working for it may sound too good to be true, and there is a catch. In today's video we bring to you 12 different ways to build passive income. But first let's see what passive income is. Passive income is any money earned in a manner that does not require too much effort. There are several passive income generating ideas that require a lot of work to begin with, like developing a blog or leasing property, but eventually, they earn money even when the owner is asleep. Why you should build passive income? Personal income is the greatest wealth generating tool, something that requires an individual's active participation. Thus, even if one has a full-time job, one would welcome additional income without necessarily having to sweat for it. Developing a way to generate passive income provides many benefits. With the additional income, you are able to expand the wealth-building base so that it is easy to take early retirement. Additionally, passive income is a backup plan in case anyone loses their day job and offers an alternative in case a retiree outlives a retirement plan. And there are many other benefits to passive income. How much income can be made? Passive income doesn't guarantee immense wealth overnight. Therefore, an individual shouldn't expect to get rich so soon. However, steady and gainful passive income opportunities can cause a person to amass income over a long period. It means a few $1,000s to hundreds more based on the income stream at hand. Ways to build passive income. There are many different ways that you can utilize to build passive income. Number 1. Investing. Whenever someone mentions passive income, there are people who think of investing since it has the potential to produce good results quickly and with little effort. However, passive income and retirement plans shouldn't be considered as being the same. The purpose of making an investment is to ensure there is an income stream during retirement. It's ideal to invest in a retirement scheme if the current fund choice agrees. That way, a person can build a sound plan for retirement, although there are penalties or taxes in case a withdrawal is made before the maturity date. Number 2. Real estate. A smart way to generate passive income once all debts are cleared and there is extra cash is to consider a real estate property for renting out. Before buying property, clear the mortgage and then buy the property with cash. There's no point in seeking debt to finance the purchase of a property. Things become complicated when there is a mortgage to clear, and yet a loan was used to buy a property. It also makes sense to buy property nearby in order to ensure that the owner can look after it properly. It means consulting a property agent who understands the owner's area to ensure the new property can attract tenants. A rental property is a good source of additional income, although it's one of the most passive sources of income because it will require time and some effort to keep it in good condition. So, a person who opts for real estate must be in control of the property at all times. Number 3. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the best ways to start earning from wherever you are, even if you don't have plenty of cash flow. Some dropshippers report making upward of $100,000 per year. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, however, it takes some upfront investment of time. This business model involves creating an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. What's interesting about dropshipping is that you don't have to see the products you sell physically. With dropshipping, your supplier handles everything from manufacturing to packaging to fulfillment. And since you don't need to send money to your supplier until your customers pay, there's limited cash risk. Another risk you get to avoid is the one that comes with investing in a product that doesn't have a market. You can use different platforms to find trending products in different niches to sell in your store. Depending on the product you choose and your pricing, you can earn solid passive income and learn how to run an e-commerce business. Number 4. Create a print-on-demand store. If you're an artist, designer, or entrepreneur, print-on-demand can be a profitable passive income idea to monetize your creativity. It involves working with suppliers to customize white label products like t-shirts, posters, backpacks, or books and selling them on a per-order basis. Similar to drop shipping, you only pay for the product after you sell it. There's no buying in bulk or inventory needed. Print-on-demand stores are a good passive income stream because you can create products quickly and put them up for sale in minutes. Shipping and fulfillment is taken care of by your supplier, and once your store is set up, you can automate many marketing and sales processes. With a print-on-demand company, you can easily create products to sell in your store quickly. Overall, print-on-demand is a low-risk, simple business idea you can get up and running with fast. Number 5. Teach online courses. It's easier than ever for educators to sell courses online. Whether it's marketing, illustration, or entrepreneurship, you can create courses and start selling with few limitations. Similar to digital products, you can sell online courses repeatedly without holding any inventory or stock. Teaching online requires some upfront investment in time. You'll need to outline your course, record it, and make downloadable assets like templates for students to walk away with. Number 6. Store to keep people's things. Most people keep many things in their homes, and they are always on the lookout for cheap ways to house them. There's nothing easier than being paid to keep other people's things. However, generating passive income from storing things for people requires a huge initial investment to acquire a storage structure. The alternative is something simple like letting a shed or storage basement. The important thing is ensuring that the things to be stored will be safe every day. Number 7. Renting out handy items. There are people with items that are no longer in use that others can borrow and use. They include a truck, small boat, or even the yard. Such things can be rented out for a small fee, which makes for a very nice way to generate passive income. For example, spare rooms at home can be rented out. Doing so is actually simple. All that is required is a photo of what is on offer, a price tag, and a catchy statement to encourage people to use the service. Number 8. Record audiobooks. Audiobooks have to be created by someone. Why can't that someone be you? Once you break into the industry, it's possible to create passive income in the form of royalties, which is how most audiobook narrators get paid. To successfully make passive income from audiobooks, there are a few things you need to master first. These include learning how to audition, proper narration technique, what niche you'll work in, and some editing skills. These were a few ideas that you can use to generate passive income. From selling handmade goods to creating a YouTube channel, a lot can be done to earn passive income. While looking for an idea that can work under the prevailing circumstance, look out for ideas with a positive long-term record. Find out whether there are people elsewhere who have benefited from that idea. Passive income doesn't materialize on its own, it requires an upfront investment of money and time. The first step to accessing passive income is buying, creating, or contributing to assets that produce cash flow. If all goes as planned, your reward for that initial investment is an ongoing stream of income you can enjoy over time. That's all for today. Do like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.